Admin Dashboard and Analytics. Welcome to the Tabsera Admin Dashboard. This is your ultimate command center for overseeing the entire platform: users, content, revenue, and operations. The dashboard shows key platform metrics at a glance. We're talking total students, active tutors, learning centers, courses, and of course, your revenue and session counts. The sidebar provides access to all admin sections, neatly organized into categories like content, tutoring, partners, and finance. It makes navigating this giant ecosystem feel like a breeze. The analytics page provides detailed charts and trends. You can see user growth, session activity, and course engagement over time. Interactive charts let you filter by date range and compare periods. Use these insights to guide your platform strategy instead of just guessing, right? Data-driven decisions for the win.